Hi friends. Welcome to Asir Jenifer Technical Channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to add hashtags above your YouTube video title. Come let's see. First, sign into your YouTube account. Click your YouTube channel profile picture to display the options. There click Creator Studio. Creator Studio page opens. There click Video Manager. Choose the video where you want to add hashtags. In that video click Edit button. In the basic info, you can add hashtags in the title and description which will be hyperlinked. If there are no hashtags in the title, the first 3 hashtags in the description will be shown above the video title. Now, I am giving 3 hashtags separated by a comma. No space between each characters. Save the changes. Now let's check this. Here you can see, the hashtags given were highlighted above the title. You can add or remove hashtags. Only 15 hashtags are allowed. Provide relevant hashtags. Let's check how it works. After removing other 2 hashtags, now only 1 hashtag displays. Click the hashtag and it opens a new YouTube page, with relevant searches associated with that hashtags. Here you can search by various filters provided. Let me show you. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy YouTube.